Alright, we are here at the Comfort Inn and Suites here in the Vernon Hills area of Chicago. And this is the hotel I'm staying in. So we're going to do a quick hotel tour, or at least a room tour. Here's the elevator. Here is the room. Very dark right now. So let's get some lights on real quick. So when you walk in the door, this is the view once the lights are on. First thing I did notice is it has kind of a funky smell in here. It kind of smells like body odor a little bit. It's not too bad. I just kind of noticed it right when I walked in. So I guess over here at the door, here is the layout. Welcome to Illinois. So security things, we've got this kind of like falling apart latch that someone could probably just rip apart. Deadbolt seems to be a newer system here. Here we've got an ironing board, luggage rack thing, a bag and some hangers, which I'm not going to use. I did notice there are these motion sensor lights. You can click these to turn it on. Here is the, I guess, mini kitchen-ish type area. Oh, there's a light there too, I just noticed. So we got this light here, so we got a microwave. There's the buttons. The coffee maker I'm not going to use. The ice bucket probably won't use. Let's see, we've got premium tea. We got coffee, room with a brew. Oh boy. So, just kind of basic coffee stuff, some cups, tray. Here is the Magic Chef fridge. Some cabinets that I guess don't work. Oh, just kind of stuck. Here is what is presumably the safe that seems to be... Yep, there's the safe. Lack of a safe. Over here we have the bathroom. So hair dryer. We do have a GFCI outlet, and it does work, so that's good. We have the Comfort Inn, I guess the Rayo or whatever, soaps. There's your towels and washcloths. Here we got the actual bathroom with the toilet. So let's see, this is we got a heat lamp. We'll just leave that on because that's nice and bright. The toilet is clean. Here is the shower. And we've got a shower head with, looks like a couple of different settings. Actually, it looks like there's a bunch of settings on you can kind of change it to whatever one you like. Let's go ahead and fire it up, see how it works. Yeah, pressure's a little low, but not too bad. So not a terrible shower. I've seen worse, so not too bad. And then this button turns on a slightly less bright light and the fan. And then we come into the room here, so there's a king bed. There's a mirror there. The TV that I won't use. Experience comfort. Alright, what do we got down here? Just drawers. Probably won't use those. A lot of things I won't use here. Some art. Standard lights with your switches and outlets. Here is the air conditioner and heater, which is off, so we're gonna kick this on here. It is cold out, so we'll do like it kind of chilly in here, so we'll kick that on for tonight. It is like midnight right now when I'm filming this video. It's probably a little after midnight, kind of late. Got a lamp there, chair there. There's the phone. And of course the 2 lamps on the end tables here. Well, there's a Bible in here, which is good. Can't open the drawer all the way though, but I guess if you moved it over, you'd be fine. Now let's check out the bed, which is the important part. It's kind of the whole point of this hotel. It's just a place to sleep. So, got the pillows here. Go ahead and just get rid of a couple of them because I don't need that many. Whoa! And I'll throw that one over there. Oh, I actually got it on there. Nice. All right, let's pull the bed back and take a look at the cleanliness. So far, looking good. Is there a top sheet on this? I think I pulled it back with it. Let's see what's under here. I see what looks to be a stain. So there's a small stain there. And what looks to be a lot of crumbs and stuff in the bed. Yeah, I don't see any other like big major stains. Looks like there might be a small one on the other side. Nothing like, insanely bad though. Still not great though. But yeah, at least the sheets clean and this is clean too, so that's good. But yeah, other than that, that's the hotel. I mean, this is not great. I mean, this is actually, I would say, probably worse than some of the qualities I've stayed at, but it's by no means like really bad. It was a cheap hotel. I needed something cheap, so it seems to be working out. So yeah, that's the hotel, and I don't remember how much I paid for it. I think it was like $200. I think it was like $100 a night or something. So for what it is, it's definitely not amazing. Don't expect anything really high end if you come here. So. But that is the room tour. Hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you later.